Rhinoceroses are the second biggest land mammals in the world. Only elephants are bigger. There are 5 kinds of rhinoceros in the world. People call them rhinos for short. All rhinos have 1 or 2 horns on their nose. Rhinos have thick gray or brown skin and short legs. They have small eyes and cannot see very well. Rhinos can be from 4.5 to 6.5 feet tall. They can weigh 1,700 to 7,000 pounds. Even though they are so big, rhinos can run 28 miles per hour or even faster, but they do not run far. Rhinos live on the continents of Africa and Asia. Most live in flat, hot grasslands called savannas. Others live in forests or rainforests. Some rhinos live at the base of mountains. All rhinos eat plants. Some eat short grasses. Others feed on small bushes and trees. Rhinos can eat 90 pounds of food a day. Female rhinos have 1 baby, called a calf, at a time. The calf weighs 55 to 100 pounds when it is born. Mother rhinos scout their calves from lions, tigers, hyenas, and crocodiles. Calves stay with their mothers for 3 to 5 years. Wild rhinos can live 25 to 40 years. Most rhinos live alone. Rhinos commonly feed in the early morning and the evening. Rhinos that live in Africa sometimes have to walk for days to find water to drink. Rhinos like to wallow or roll in pools of mud. The mud cools their skin and also keeps them safe from biting flies. Birds called oxpeckers eat parasites off a rhino's back. There are not many rhinos left in the world. Many have been killed for their horns, but today some people go to see wild rhinos. They have to be careful not to get too close, otherwise the rhinos might charge. Other people visit rhinos at zoos. It can be fun to watch these big animals eat, sleep, and wallow. A rhinoceros story. Why does the rhinoceros have bumpy folded skin? People in Africa used to tell us story about this. They said that long ago an elephant and a rhino got in a fight. The rhino's skin got many cuts. He used a porcupine needle to sew up his skin. When he was done, the rhino had big, uneven scars on his side, and since then, all rhinoceroses have had bumpy skin.